Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're finally cutting through that endless hype cycle to break down the AI tools that are actually worth your time. I mean, if you've been feeling like there's a brand new, supposedly game-changing app announced every single time you refresh your feed, you're definitely in the right place. We're stripping away all the buzzwords and looking purely at everyday utility. Let's dive in. Because let's be real, with hundreds of new AI tools launching every single month right now, it's completely normal to feel totally overwhelmed. There's actually a term for it, AI fatigue. You want to be more productive, and you definitely want to leverage these new technologies to your advantage. But testing every single new app that promises to revolutionize your workflow, yeah, that's a full-time job in itself. To solve that exact problem, we've gone ahead and researched, tested, and curated a definitive top 10 countdown of the most useful AI tools for everyday tasks. And we're structuring this like a utility pyramid. We aren't just throwing a random list of software at you. We're going to scale all the way from tools designed for highly specific everyday tasks right up to the massive platforms offering total ecosystem integration. So let's start building our toolkit right at the base of the pyramid with Tier 1 specialized synthesizers. Coming in at number 10 is Gamma AI. The workflow here is incredibly simple. Input a basic prompt, wait a few minutes, and you get professional slides and documents. It literally cures the pain of staring at a blank screen. If you're someone who creates presentations regularly, you know exactly how much time gets wasted just formatting text boxes and picking themes, right? Well, Gamma AI takes that initial prompt and handles all the heavy design lifting for you. It's a massive time saver. Moving up to number 9, we have Perplexity AI. This one really highlights the huge shift in how we find information online right now. See, Perplexity isn't just a standard conversational chatbot. It actively combines AI with live web search to give you direct answers. But honestly, its absolute superpower is the source citations. Perplexity includes actual links for its answers, making it a fantastic, completely trustworthy tool for research and learning. You can actively verify exactly where the AI is pulling its facts from. Wrapping up our first tier at number 8 is NotebookLM. Now, if Perplexity is for searching the public web, NotebookLM is for searching your own private library of information. It lets you easily organize documents, summarize dense information, and really understand complex topics by securely chatting strictly with your own uploaded sources. It is exactly like having a dedicated, brilliant research assistant who has perfectly memorized every single document you've ever handed them. Okay, so those first 3 tools are fantastic for synthesizing data, text, and research. They're your analytical workhorses. But what if you need to create stunning visuals and audio? What if your daily workflow, or maybe your side hustle, demands high-level design, professional voiceover, and slick video production? Well, that brings us right to Tier 2, the Creative Suite. At number 7 is Canva AI. Now, Canva was already a massive design platform, but its integrated AI features have just put it into another league entirely. Whether you need thumbnails, presentations, social media graphics, or full marketing content, Canva AI makes whipping up professional visual assets just effortless. And the absolute best part, it takes your rough idea and instantly turns it into polished content, even if you have zero traditional design experience. At number 6, we pivot over to audio with ElevenLabs. When we talk about natural-sounding AI speech today, we are definitely not talking about those old, clunky, robotic computer voices from a few years ago. ElevenLabs is the ultimate solution for generating highly realistic speech. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, editing podcasts, or even narrating entire long-form audiobooks, this tool delivers audio that is exceptionally difficult to distinguish from a real human sitting in a recording booth. Number 5 on our countdown is Runway, which essentially builds out a complete video workflow for modern creators. It dramatically speeds up your video production with some seriously heavy-hitting features. First, you get AI-powered editing to streamline your cuts. Second, complex tasks like background removal, which used to take hours of manual frame-by-frame work, are now done in a single click. And third, it even features complete video generation right from scratch. It's a real game changer. Taking the number 4 spot is Midjourney. This is the go-to AI tool for creating breathtakingly detailed, truly artistic images from just simple text prompts. It's rapidly become a beloved brainstorming partner among professional designers and creators. When you need visual inspiration, mood boards, or highly detailed concept art, Midjourney spins up complex visual concepts that instantly elevate your creative projects. So, we've successfully scaled through the specialized synthesizers, and we've explored the vibrant tools of the Creative Suite. But let's slow things down for a second.
What lies at the absolute peak of the AI utility pyramid? What are the true heavyweights that can seemingly just do it all?
Welcome to Tier 3, the Generalist Titans. At number 3, we have Claude. It is an absolute powerhouse of an assistant for handling huge, long documents, deep analysis, brainstorming, and complex coding. Right next to it, at number 2, is Google Gemini, which really shines because it natively integrates directly into your Google Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. If you spend your day working within Google's ecosystem, Gemini is designed to be your built-in assistant for everything from writing emails to crunching massive amounts of spreadsheet data. And finally, securing the number 1 spot is ChatGPT. The sheer breadth of tasks this thing can handle is unmatched. We're talking writing, learning, coding, brainstorming ideas, planning projects, and analyzing information. It reigns supreme as the most versatile AI assistant available today. No matter what your daily workflow looks like, ChatGPT has proven itself to be the foundational AI tool that gracefully adapts to almost any challenge you throw at it.
So, let's take a look at your essential toolkit.
Now that we've reached the top of the countdown, let's take a quick step back. If you're the kind of person who likes to take notes or save things for later, right now is an excellent screenshot moment. This perfectly summarizes our entire utility pyramid, from Gamma AI for quick presentations at number 10, through the research power of Perplexity, all the way up through our creative suite, and finally landing on our generalist titans like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT. These are the tools proven to help you conquer your daily tasks. As we wrap up this explainer, the crucial takeaway here is that these aren't just shiny toys. These are the specific tools that creators, students, developers, and professionals are finding genuinely useful in the real world right now. But I want to turn it over to you. Looking at this definitive list, which one of these 10 essential AI tools is your absolute favorite? And beyond that, how is it actively changing the way you work and learn every single day? Think about it, drop your thoughts in the comments, and keep experimenting. We'll see you next time.